As someone that comes from the part of Nigeria where we take body care so serious, today I am teaching you guys one simple recipe on how to make your body look so good, so beautiful, and glow all day long. So we are making our Dokhan Glow oil, which is also called Mokalat oil, Khalta oil, secret oil. It has a lot of names. I have listed the ingredients on the screen, and it's going to be in the caption or in the description box. And all these ingredients are very easy to find. You have them at home, or you can get them in a supermarket or a shop close to you. So after adding all these ingredients, you can use the double boiler method to boil this, or you can fry it simply like using low heat. After frying, you add your vitamin E and your other oils that you didn't fry, like the saffron oil. I promise I'm going to list the ingredients so that it will be very easy for you guys. You can also screenshot all these ingredients that I'm using. I'm using this Hemani saffron oil because it smells so good and it is so amazing. It is going to work wonders on your skin, and it will leave your skin looking so beautiful, healthy, and glowing. So this is the first oil. This is the one that is not the lightening oil. This oil is just the plain Mukadlat's glow oil, while I'm going to make another oil, which is the brightening glow oil. If you do not want to lighten up your skin, then you do not use the other oil I'm going to teach you. So this one is for people that do not want to brighten their skin. They just want to use everything natural, no any other added extra chemicals. Yes. So, and then this is the brightening one. This booster is from Pigmento brand, and it's cost I think only 1,000 naira. So you just need a few drops. This is I think a glutathione oil, just a brightening oil. You don't need a lot, just a few drops is okay. You can see, guys, I use just quarter of this, and then I added my saffron oil, and I also added my vitamin E oil. Just one vitamin E oil is enough, because you can see we made only 100 mils of this oil. So this is an oil that you can use after applying your body cream or your body butter, and you can also use this in your Khalta mixture, your dilke mixture, your face mask mixture. Like, you can use this oil, and it is handmade with love. So guys, I hope you're going to give this recipe a trial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next one. Bye.